I've been a customer at the Search Source for just over 6 months now. The experience working with the Search Source has helped grow my business primarily because of the one-on-one attention I get from Tony and the whole staff over there. The advantages of working with the Search Source is they've helped me not only with search engine optimization, but customizing and designing my website, helping me with blog items, marketing items, the whole 9 yards. The Search Source has a lot of cool little features too, as far as call tracking and being able to give me in-depth reports every month on who's visiting my website, how long they're staying on my website, are they giving me a call, and how long is that phone call lasting. And when in training my employees, information like that is so beneficial. It helps me to help my employees become better when answering the phone and attending to my customers' needs. In terms of marketing, we've tried the phone book, we've tried billboards, but basically the best bang we get for our buck is online with internet advertising. Anybody who's looking to upgrade their online marketing and their search engine optimization, really the only place to go is the Search Source.